Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So the new upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 to sustain a dual-track AP system with Exynos 2500 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset shown on the network. Exynos will continue in the Galaxy S25 lineup. Samsung will maintain the current dual platform approach for its 2025 flagship. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. According to the available data, Samsung Electronics is expected to maintain the dual-track application processor AP system for its next-generation Galaxy S25 lineup of smartphones in 2025, initiating the use of both Samsung's proprietary APs and Qualcomm mobile SoCs. No word if Samsung will launch the Galaxy S25 Ultra exclusively with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or change things up with an Exynos 2500 variant too. Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will coexist with the Exynos 2500 chipset. According to DigiTimes, Samsung will retain the dual-chip approach for its Galaxy S25 lineup of smartphones next year. That is, both Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and Exynos 2500 will be used. How exactly they will be divided is not yet clear. Let us remind you that if previously Samsung clearly divided versions by country, now the Galaxy S24 Ultra is always and everywhere, based only on Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Perhaps the performance of the Exynos 2500 against the background of the new Qualcomm platform will decide everything. Let us remind you that Exynos 2500 is supposedly being created differently. The platform is being developed with an emphasis on optimization exclusively for Samsung smartphones. Next year, there is also speculation too that the Qualcomm will split production of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 between TSMC and Samsung Foundry. Since then, Samsung has been solely responsible for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and most likely the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will be the first Qualcomm chipset to use the advanced 3nm manufacturing process N3E. As for the other features and specs, the Galaxy S25 lineup will almost certainly be powered by Samsung's One UI 7 Android 15 operating system. Samsung will provide its next Galaxy AI capabilities and characteristics that will change your whole smartphone experience. It is expected that the new Galaxy S25 line will officially launch early next year. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. For more tech news and updates, please stay tuned.